Welcome to the fourth chapter of this course. I hope you have enjoyed this course so far and have energy left for this last chapter. Before we begin, I want to warn you that this will be the most challenging part of the course. The month-end process can often feel confusing, but I promise that everything will become clear to you by the end of this chapter. Here you can see the agenda we will be following. We will start by conducting actual activity price calculation for the activity type we are using. But before we can do this, we need some actual costs, so the very first step will be to record some expenses for our company. After this, we will be doing variance and WIP calculations for our process orders, and then closing our manufacturing orders using settlement postings. So the first two steps are exactly the same as with the regular period end closing without actual costing functionality. But things will get interesting when we start examining how the actual costs of the period are calculated and how material ledger is closed. I will be introducing you to an alternative costing run transaction that is used to calculate periodic unit prices for materials. It's time to start our final journey with material ledger. Once you have a clear understanding of all the steps needed during the month-end closing, you have mastered actual costing and are ready to start implementing complex costing scenarios in the system.